Welcome, my name is Bastian Brox and I'm responsible at EMIS Electrics for all service actions. With this little video series, we would like to give you additional support on how to restart a ride after a long standstill. Alarms, warnings and messages are daily business when you operate a ride, but after a long break, some meanings might got lost. Therefore, we will talk a bit about them in this video. Amusement rides made by MAG Rides and EMIS Electrics usually use the same type of messaging. Through ages of rides, their way of being displayed or apparel may vary a bit. Also, rides of other manufacturers may vary a bit. For general use of HMIs or displays, check the corresponding manual to the ride you are operating. The alarm manager of the ride usually displays three different types of information. Alarms which require immediate action shut down the ride or sections of it are displayed in red color. Warnings indicate possible hazards, notifications for upcoming problems or misbehavior of the staff at the ride. They are displayed in yellow. Messages show information about the ride status, pressed buttons, flagged sensors or similar are indicated in blue color. Each information line comes with an indication number which leads you to the electrical part who was creating this information. The indication number is a link to the part in the electrical drawings as well. While older rides only have small block displays to show information, modern rides use the full advantage of high-end HMIs or ride communication systems. Those systems are capable to display you additional information on what the reason for the alarm or warning might be and give you indications on what to check. They as well list the requirements which are necessary to reset the alarm and bring the ride back to operation. While you restart the ride after a long break, make sure to firmly read all displayed information and follow the instructions to resolve any issues. Careful and targeted preparation of the ride reduce the risk of damage and downtimes. If any questions on alarms, warnings or messages arise, check your ride manual and don't hesitate to contact the MAG Rides or EMIS Electrics support. Thank you for your attention and we wish you all the best for your restarting actions. If any questions arise or the operator's manual leave anything open, don't hesitate to contact us. Contact us on the listed email addresses or telephone numbers. We hope you enjoyed the video and it has helped you in your actions.